Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we will show you how to apply for Google AdSense on your WordPress website. If you want to monetize your blog or site, AdSense is a great way to get started. Let's dive in. Before applying for AdSense, you must ensure your website meets some basic requirements. Here's what you should do. 1. Content quality. Make sure you have at least 20-30 high-quality original blog posts. Google values unique content that provides value to users. 2. Website design. Your site should be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Choose a responsive theme that looks good on both desktop and mobile. 3. Essential pages. Include important pages like About, Contact, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Service. These pages help build trust and credibility. Now that your site is ready, let's set up your Google AdSense account. 1. Go to AdSense. Head to the Google AdSense website and click on Sign Up. 2. Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. If you already have one, just sign in. 3. Website URL. Enter your website URL when prompted. 4. Choose your preferences. Fill out your payment information and select your content preferences. 5. Submit your application. Review the information and submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email once your application is submitted. After submitting, it usually takes a few days to a few weeks for Google to review your application. Be patient. In the meantime, ensure you're regularly updating your content. Once you're approved, you'll receive an AdSense code. Here's how to add it to your WordPress site. 1. Get your ad code. Log into your AdSense account. Navigate to Ads and create a new ad unit. 2. Copy the code. Copy the ad code provided by AdSense. 3. Access your WordPress dashboard. Go to your WordPress dashboard. 4. Insert code using a widget. Go to Appearance Widgets and add a custom HTML widget to your sidebar or footer. Using a plugin. Consider using an ad inserter plugin to place ads throughout your site. 5. Paste the code. Paste the AdSense code into the widget or plugin settings and save your changes. After adding ads, monitor your performance through the AdSense dashboard. Check your earnings and click-through rates and adjust ad placements for optimal results. And that's it. You're now ready to earn with Google AdSense on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on website monetization. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.